How you guys doing? My name is Steve Longpre and my company is Barnstorm Studio, or BSS Additive. We're a 3D printing company. So we came to VVM with the ability to do a lot of different things. We're kind of like all these other guys. We did everything, and we thought that that was our niche. We produce we produce product prototypes for the consumer products industry, medical device prototypes. We produce beer tap handles. I mean, we were doing everything, and it's a good business model if you want to barely make it. This is a typical workflow for what we would do. As a 3D printer, we get lots of different requests. People come in with prototypes, people come with ideas, they want to vet, people want to understand processes. So they'll come in with some plans, some ideas, we'll transfer it into a 3D printed photopolymer or thermoplastic prototype, and we're on our way. We've worked with companies like Bayside Hospital, WorkSafe Technology, Convergent Photonics, lots of high schools and trade schools, East Coast TAPs. We do lots and lots of really interesting work, which keeps us kind of on our toes, gives us a lot of variety. And when I looked at coming into the program, my hope was to take this here, this great thing that I'd created, and turn it into this before my wife divorced me. And what I found out in the process was this is a really difficult prospect. To go from a small 3D printing company into an advanced additive manufacturing company is a huge, huge undertaking. But it's doable. And we're starting to see this type of growth all around the country, all around the world, as a matter of fact. And so through VVM, I was able to understand that process, what it's going to take to actually make this happen. And there's a reason why we have to do this. We have a new family member in Massachusetts. GE is now located in Boston. And GE is pushing the forefront of advanced additive. And the reason that they're doing that is they can take 850 core parts of an engine and turn it into 12. Think about what that does. That's an amazing thing. But think about what that does if you're a manufacturer. That's 850 less parts. That's a big challenge, and in the process of VVM, we've talked about this quite a bit, my classmates and I. And so, as part of the forum here, we were able to understand manufacturing a little bit differently. We came up with a commonality. We make an enormous amount of wastes as manufacturers. And there's a huge opportunity in Massachusetts, around the country, as a matter of fact, to go and do greener things. And we decided that we should examine this further. We found an opportunity to take milling wastes and convert them in a really environmentally friendly and cost-effective way into additive powders, 3D printing metals and materials to support this advanced additive manufacturing capability that's coming in the next decade. And we wouldn't have been able to do that without the help of everybody here, and with Mass Development's help, and all of the people that came in and talked with us about these opportunities. This is the future, and if we didn't have this forum, this would not have happened. And I want to thank you all for coming out tonight and in support of this, and look forward to answering your questions.